Hello Hooperinos, this is a tutorial for shoulder dugouts. So, I'm going to start with my hoop, which is a 30. The bigger your hoop, the more size, the more room you have, okay? Because it's a quick maneuver with this one. So it's all about timing and space and knowing where the space is and at what times the space is there. So like gaps, basically. So 30 is going to be quite difficult. So use something bigger if you need to. I'm going to start with it on my neck, and what I'm doing is I'm knowing when the gaps are on each side. Okay, so I just know that they are there at those points. So get with that, practice, know where the gaps are. Once you know where the gaps are, you're going to start adding your shoulder blades. So push, 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 push. Yeah, push, 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 push. And you can practice just 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Be careful you don't turn it into shoulder hooping. So just, if it starts to come down, don't let it come down on both sides, okay? So you're just pushing in with that one shoulder. Once you've practiced doing these, I'll show you from the back, so just looking for the gap. Push, 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 push. We're going to start to get our head out the other side, okay? So the reason we spot both sides is because one side will have your shoulder up and the other side will have your head out, okay? So we're now going to go shoulder blade up and head out. Now when we go up with the shoulder blade, I want you to actively push up through the top of your shoulder as much as you can. So really imagine it, really focus on it. And what you're going to do then is you're going to start rotating your shoulder blades. You're pushing into the hoop every time it spins and makes contact, okay? Then your head is going to go out of this side. So push up, out, and then we're rotating in to the hoop, okay? Don't open up here. Just keep your arm nice and straight and down, all right? So let's have a little look. Going around, I'm in. My head is going to go out to the side of this gap, and then I'm pushing in to the hoop as it spins around. Yeah. So from behind. Now it's really important when you do your dugout, so when you get out of that side, that you don't end up leaning all of your body over, because if you do, your hoop will fly off, which is not what you want to do, because you want to do shoulder dugouts, right? So don't do that. So really focus, like I said, pushing up, making sure there is a good amount of your shoulder in, but it's not too far down, otherwise it's going to come down and turn into something else, okay? So push up, no gaps, look for that gap, get your head out to the side, and push, 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 push. And then practice the other side. Shoulders up, look for the gap. And push, 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 push. Okay? And once you've got those, you can move on to some lovely shoulder passes, which I will give you a tutorial on separate to this one. If you want to learn any other things, you can let me know, and I'm happy to do some requests for you. And I also sell takeaway lessons on my site, so if you want full lessons on stuff, you can go and access them as well. So until I see you next time, bye bye.